If the first generation of Acura's RDX was the crossover SUV equivalent of a college student amped up, eager to party, daring, its 2013 follow-up had somehow woken up married with a mortgage. Gone was the original RDX's high-strung turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4 engine, its torque vectoring super handling all-wheel drive system, and its firm ride. All of that was replaced by an inoffensive crossover with a smooth, effortless V6, a soft suspension setup, and conventional all-wheel drive. Sales shot through the roof and haven't stopped climbing since. Now Acura thinks it's high time for a midlife crisis. Hellraisers we are, the news is welcome. Just look at the 2019 RDX prototype here. We're putting quotes around the term prototype because this SUV is a set of regular-sized door mirrors and slightly smaller wheels away from the one that will go on sale later this year. Acura is returning the RDX to its turbocharged, super handling roots and gifting it a buff, good-looking new body and a snazzy interior with an all-new infotainment system controlled by a touchpad. It's all part of Operation Make Acura Not Boring Again, a term we just made up for the brand's attempt to create a more focused lineup with sexier appeal than in the recent past. The NSX supercar was the first example of turning a new leaf. The RDX will be the first volume product to pick up the torch. Because every new vehicle redesign seemingly must incorporate a size increase, the RDX grows relative to its predecessor. Acura hasn't released all the dimensions for this prototype, let alone the production model, but tells us the crossover's wheelbase is 2.5 inches longer. That would place it on the large side for the compact luxury class, and Acura promises that backseat space and cargo volume will be class-leading. We poked and prodded and sat in the rear seat of the prototype for ourselves, and although roomy, it doesn't seem to live up to those claims. Final judgment will have to wait for Acura's release of the final product.